Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 3rd, 2021. And so the snow finally melted enough that we could get into the garden. We still have a lot of snow left, but we could get to our raised planter here that we had our cosmic purple carrots planted in. And you can see the Brussels sprouts here that were harvested off. Now these look really rough, but they're going to get cleaned up, and we're going to have them in our salad tonight along with our carrots, and we still have our onions. So you can see here where they did freeze some, but they will still be good to eat. So it's a nice harvest for the beginning of March. See over here. Now your Brussels sprouts are perennials, and we're gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So we don't actually take our Brussels sprouts out. We let them in the garden, and you do have to like have a fence around them or something so that the deer don't eat them. But they do come back, and they will flower in their second year, and you can take the seeds off of them. And the nice thing about that is the seeds are going to adapt to your climate. So this is a Catskill Brussels sprout variety here, and the more they adapt to your climate, the better they're going to be for growing, because they're going to be more used to what your climate can throw at them. So I do have videos on my channel for how we do our raised planter of carrots. Now there's nothing under this planter. It's completely suspended in the air. And it's that big veggie trough. So I have videos on for how we plant our carrots, and I have playlists on for the Brussels sprouts. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!